In this episode I will review the NeoMaster 2-in-1 nail gun and stapler. It's a cheap nail gun that I found on Amazon. And I thought it would be nice to have in the workshop. It comes with a nice plastic case. It comes with eye protection, some book, a box with staplers and nails from some kind of sizes, which is nice. The grip is nice. This is the knob to adjust the power, the force of the nail. This is the brand, something Chinese. It comes with a strange inlet size, 2 Allen keys and a bottle of machine oil. So this inlet didn't fit my compressor output and I needed to replace it. It was a pain in the butt to unscrew it from the nail gun, but I managed to do it off camera. After that I put some pine wood on my vise. Put some staples. The compressor make the whole table The gun is working with the staples, no problem. Now I put a couple of nails. So there is a mark, even when I use the nail, there is a long mark of a staple. But after that I learned that I can adjust the knob and make it a little bit disappear. This is the hardest wood that I could find. And I test it with the nails. You can see it penetrate all the way. But the first time it made a long mark. The second time there was no mark. All in all, I think it's a nice purchase for $30, and I'm very happy with it.